Okay, second demonstration that the phone, after being factory reset, is failed again. So uptime here is 43 hours. I go to call the phone on the right, which is my wife's. Press that, nothing happens. Won't make the call. Try the test call number. Won't make the call. Okay, we'll go to hers. And just unlock it. Okay, we go in there. Let's try call me. So this phone's been factory reset as well. Okay, it says it's ringing. Nothing. Absolutely nothing.